Hey Fido, what's up? This is Dean, BananaFish711, and I'm here to show you how to do wall walks. Wall walks are a great way to counterbalance all of the forward flexion that we do in our daily lives. So whether you're someone who deadlifts a lot or you're someone who sits at your computer a lot, these are a great way to get your spine moving in the opposite direction. The thing that I want to stress the most is that it doesn't matter how flexible you are. It doesn't matter if you cannot reach the wall at all, and it doesn't matter if you can go all the way down the wall. The only thing that matters is that you start to open up your back to the degree that's right for you. And there are two main ways to know that you're in the right spot. A, can you breathe comfortably? Could you still hold a conversation with a person in the room with you? B, are you feeling any pain? If you're feeling any pain, that's your body's signal to stop. That's your body telling you, hey, we've had enough, back off a little bit, okay? So don't be afraid to try and then back it up a little bit if you need to, all right? So let's go to the wall. I'm gonna take off my glasses. All right, so you wanna start with your feet a little bit wider than hips width distance apart, and your body about an arm's length away from the wall. You can always get closer if you lean back and you start to feel unsteady, but if you start too close, you can feel a little bit claustrophobic when you're leaning back. So start about an arm's length distance away, feet hips width distance apart. Navel is drawn into spine, chest is lifted. The first thing that you always want to do is take a nice deep breath and you reach back. And maybe you get to here and you go, okay, this is enough. I can't go back anymore. All right, so you're going to stand here and you're going to breathe. And you're going to focus on things like, is your jaw clenching? Is your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth? Can you relax it a little bit? Can you shake out your neck? Relieve tension anywhere that you can. And then you take a nice inhale and you come back up. You give yourself a moment. You see, okay, how did that feel? So maybe you're feeling a little bit more open now and you want to reach for the wall. You bring your hands to your heart, navel in, chest up, take a nice deep inhale, reach back. You get your fingertips on the wall. You want to come up on your toes and squeeze your glutes. That's important to protect your low back here. All right, so maybe this is about as far as you want to go. Take nice, long, deep breaths. Same thing, loosen up the neck. Make sure the jaw is not clenching. Then you drop your heels and you use an inhale to come back up. And again, after each one, you just reassess. How does it feel? Is there any pain? Are you breathing too heavily? All right, are you feeling taxed? Okay, next thing, we start to walk down the wall. Take your nice deep inhale, you reach back, fingertips touch, heels lift, and you start slowly to walk. Remember, if you feel unsteady, that's what the wall's there for. So you get about halfway and you're like, all right, this is enough. Same deal. Jaw relaxed, breath relaxed, neck relaxed, and then you use an inhale and you come back up. It's a real workout for your quads. All right, so what if you're ready to go all the way down the wall? We're ready to try it. Here's how you do it. You take your inhale, you reach up, you reach back, and you check in every step of the way. Does this still feel good? Do I still feel comfortable? You reach one hand for the ground, you reach the other hand for the ground. The next step is to start to press your chest and your armpits toward the wall. Eventually, you're going to get them flush with the wall like this. It might not happen right away. All this stuff takes a lot of time, okay? So just be patient with it. Keep breathing. Check in with your back. Check in with your neck. Check in with the teeth clenching. And then you slowly walk yourself back up. Heels drop. Hands come back to the heart. Nice, slow, long breath. And that's it. Those are wall walks. Remember, doesn't matter how far you go. Just open up to the degree that feels good to you, and you'll be well on your way to having a very healthy spine. Namaste.